so in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to make this lake house shawl. Here we go. It's just very beautiful. Look at that. All right, so let's go ahead and get started on this. I did use a 4-weight yarn. And the yarn that I used for this is Manaya, 65% superwash wool, 35% acrylic. It's from Hobie. The color is 05. And let's see what else you might need to know. I'll leave the link below if you're interested in this yarn. And let's see, I used 2 of these. And this says it has 558 yards. So I used approximately a little over 1,000 yards. And so if you're interested in making this with this size of yarn. Now, the good thing is about this, you can make this as long as you want to make it. And I made mine 18 inches across and 75 inches long. You can make it anywhere from 65, 75, 85. It just depends on what length that you would like yours. And so, yeah, let's go ahead and get started on this. I did use we are using a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, the medium 4-weight yarn. And as you can tell, this yarn is probably a little on the thin side. Okay, and then you can use a row counter if you feel like you need to. And a yarn needle and a pair of scissors you will need. All right, let's go ahead and get started on this beautiful shawl. Okay, so to start this, we are going to chain 102. Now, if you want to, you can start off with a slip knot. I do not do slip knots. I just go right into my chain. So I just put my hook underneath my yarn and I just twist it around like that. And then I chain 1. So that's my first chain. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, I think you get the hang of how to chain. So go ahead and chain 102, and I will meet you when you get to 102. Okay, I have reached 102. So now we are going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So there's the first chain. So in the second chain, we're just going to insert our hook, grab our yarn, pull through, grab our yarn, pull through both loops on the hook. That's a single crochet. So now we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now we're going to skip the next 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and in this 4th chain, we're going to single crochet. And if you want, you can put a stitch marker in that first single crochet. I'll go ahead and do that. Okay, now we're going to continue that all the way across. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip the next 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. And in this 4th chain, we're going to single crochet. Okay, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Skip the next 3. Make sure you've got, see how that's twisting a little bit? Make sure you've got it turned this way. 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th chain, we're going to single crochet. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Skip the next 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th chain, we're going to single crochet. And here is what it is looking like. So I will meet you when you get to the end here. Just make sure you keep as you're working with it, you keep the chains not on the back side, but keep it turned the correct way. But I'll meet you right back. Okay, so I just did my last chain 4, skip the next 3, 1, 2, 3, and then single crochet in this last chain, which is the 4th chain. Okay, now we are going to chain 5 for row 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're going to turn our work, and we are going to single crochet in this chain 4 space. Now in this next chain 4 space, we are going to work 3 double crochets, chain 3, and 3 double crochets in this chain 4 space. So 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Now chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Now 3 double crochets in this same chain 4 space. 1, 2, and 3. So you started out with a chain 5, a single crochet in the chain 4 space, and in the next chain 4 space you did 3 double crochets, chain 3, and 3 double crochets. I'm going to repeat this all the way across to the end, and then I'll tell you what you need to do when you get to the very end. So just remember, 3 double crochets in the next chain 4 space. 1, 2, 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 double crochets in the same space. 1, 2, and 3. Single crochet in the next chain 4 space. Okay, and just keep repeating that all the way across. And I'll meet you when you get to the end. Okay, so now I'm all the way to where we did the chain 5. There was the single crochet, and then there's the chain 5. So go ahead and single crochet in that chain 5 space, and then right here at the end, we're going to chain 2, and we're going to double crochet in this single crochet spot. Okay, let's remove our stitch marker. Okay, so that was row 1 and row 2. All right, so for row 3, we are going to chain 1, turn our work. We're going to single crochet in this first double crochet right here. There we go. And like I said, if you want, you can put a stitch marker. Okay, so now we are going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And in this next chain 3 space right here, we are going to single crochet, chain 4, and single crochet. Single crochet, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and single crochet. Okay, now we're going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we're going to repeat that across in this next chain 3 space. We're going to single crochet, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet. All right, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And in this next chain 3 space, we're going to single crochet, chain 4, and single crochet. And you're going to repeat this all the way across, and this is what it's looking like now. And I'll meet you when you get to the end. Okay, so I did my last chain 4, and in the third chain, we are going to single crochet. 1, 2, 3. It's about right here. We're going to make a single crochet. Now we're going to repeat row 2. Row 2 and row 3 are our repeat rows, and you're just going to keep repeating those. So let's go ahead and do row 2 real quick. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And turn our work. Single crochet in the next chain 4 space, which is right here. Single crochet. Now 3 double crochets, chain 3 and 3 double crochet in the next chain 4 space, which will be right here. So 3 double crochets, there's 1, 2, 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Now single crochet in the next chain 4 space, and then 3 double crochets, chain 3, and 3 double crochets in the next chain 4 space. 1, 2, 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 double crochets in that same space. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and so every one of these chain 4 spaces here, you're working a single crochet. And in these chain 4 spaces, you're working 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets. All right, I will meet you all the way when you get to the end. Just keep repeating that. Okay, so I just finished my last single crochet. So now we're going to double crochet in, well, first we're going to chain 2. And then we're going to double crochet in that single crochet. Okay, so that was the end of our repeat row of 2. Now we're going to do our repeat row of row 3. So we're going to chain 1, and turn our work. Here's what it's looking like now. And so for row 3, single crochet in that first double crochet. And like I said, you can put a stitch marker on the end if you want. We're going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're going to single crochet, chain 4, and single crochet at the top of this chain 3. Single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, and single crochet. And we're going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you just keep repeating that. In the next chain 3 space, single crochet, chain 4, and single crochet, chain 4. Okay, the next chain 3 space, single crochet, chain 4, and single crochet, chain 4. Okay, and you just keep repeating that. I will meet you when you get to the end. Okay, so I did my last chain 4, and we're going to single crochet in the third chain of the beginning chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, single crochet, Okay, and then you just keep repeating rows 2 and 3 until you get anywhere between 65, 75 inches. All right, so let's go ahead and do what I like to call the ending row. Now that you've got it to the length that you want, you end it on row 2. So let's go ahead and do our ending row. So chain 1, turn your work, and you're going to work a single crochet in this first double crochet. Single crochet. Now we're going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, single crochet in this chain 3 space, chain 4, 2, 3, 4, single crochet in the next chain 3 space, and you're just going to keep repeating that all the way across. This is your ending row. 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet in the chain 3 space, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet in the chain 4 space. All right, I will meet you when you get to the end. And this, like I said, is your ending row, and to do your ending row, you always need to end it with row 2. Did our last chain 4. Now we're going to single crochet in the 3rd chain, beginning chain, 1, 2, 3. We're going to single crochet. Okay, and that is it. That you're done. You can just cut this off, fasten it off, and weave it in. Just like that. And you can just take your yarn needle and weave it in. But that's it, guys. And you will have this beautiful shawl right here. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.